how to blur face in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I'll show you guys how you can blur face in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is open the CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video where you want to blur the face. After that, once you are on this page, click on Effects option and under the trending option here you will see Blur. Click on it. Now drag the blurring effect over the whole video. Again, come to the main menu and click on Overlay. Tap on Add Overlay option and again select the same video. Make sure to adjust the video same size as the frame. Now select the overlaid video and search for the mask option in the toolbar. Once you find it, click on it and here you will see a couple of different shapes you can use in your video. Now in order to blur the face, I recommend you to use the circle option. Click on it and tap on invert option at the bottom left corner. You can resize the shape of circle according to the video. Once you are okay with the video, finally click on little icon at the top right corner. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood how you can blur face in CapCut. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.